Hello guys, hope you are all doing great. So I just want to share a very important update that has happened today, just 2 hours before. So every time when I go out, I wear a big helmet, a touring helmet, and sometimes my relatives and some of people around they used to ask me like, why for a very short distance you wear helmet like this big? I have a half face helmet. And in cities like Chennai, you cannot do speeding in certain areas. The area where I go to work every day, definitely the speeding is an issue. You cannot go very fastly. So in that case, you logically don't require a big helmet is what they think. But I didn't listen. I wear helmet. There is full face helmet every day. And for 3 years after my purchase of bike, I never had a major accident or anything that I just dropped my bike sometimes. That's it. So I didn't have any major accident. But today I did have an accident. You know, two very important purchases saved my money and it saved my health. Okay, so two things I've invested. So I just want to share because this would actually make a difference. Because when I got my gears for the, if you're following my channel, I purchase gears, so I rely on them because um we don't know what would happen at what time. So I had a helmet which is a Vendetta. So KYT Vendetta, just look at the impact that it had. The first impact was in my head. So directly just went and the right side of my head was just bouncing in the floor. So just imagine if I would have had a half face helmet, I would have gotten a very good blow in my jaw and my head as well. And the second thing is the bike actually fall on my feet. So the thing is I did not crash or anything, it is a skid. So because of the mud and the water, as it was raining yesterday night, today morning also, so it was mud, a lot of muddy areas. So I was trying for a gap, for a right side gap, so where it was full of mud because of the metro construction going on, I got skid. I cannot blame anyone. So I let me tell you a very important thing in the last, but here nothing to blame on anything. So it's completely my fault. I tried to brake, front brake, so it I got skid. Uh, for the bike was actually on my right feet, no, right foot, and my knees were already it was in the floor, so very good impact. So I don't want to show the injury. It's like the deep in some areas I got some deep impact, so swelling is there. So other than that, I'm fine. I'm really good. And after I come home, I just realized how this gears saved my life, guys. Because when I was investing in all this, I know that someday it's gonna help me, but it was a very, I was barely going at 10, 20 kilometers per hour, 20. And it's like a sudden fall. You know, I was just thrown a little bit front, that's it, because of the, I could not balance the bike. So sorry, I'm stumbling. 2 hours, so a little bit of shock. I'm just going, processing what have happened. Thankfully, some people came and helped me. First thing they did is they opened the helmet and they checked whether I'm breathing. So civic sense is really good for some people. And Chennai, all the cities are actually fast moving. Like people go, like they have a job in the morning, they don't care about what is happening around. But few people, they took time to come and take care of. Just want to see what has happened. First thing, they took my helmet carefully. They opened it very clearly, opened my visor, pulled my nose. So they checked my mouth. Is there any injury? They opened it. I couldn't thank them because by that time I was embarrassed and I was shocked and I was in pain. So I couldn't thank them. If suppose people, it's not, I don't know whether the specific people will watch the video, but if some other people are watching and if you have helped a person like this from their side, I want to thank you because it is very rare to find people who help. They actually scold, they shout at you, they honk on you and all, but they helped. So I just want to thank you if you have helped someone like this. Thank you very much. And let me show you what has happened to my helmet. It's like the second thing is the shoe, the boots I've invested. Let me show you that as well. Just a minute. So let me show you my helmet now. Look at the abrasion. So if you look at this area, this is the first impact where I had. So here is some abrasion, and this is the area So yes, actually this did save my, like feel I could feel the vibration that I had. So this is KYT Vendetta. It is actually a very good helmet for touring. Um, so yes, this saved me. And just wait, this guys, this is the clan boots that I bought 1 year before. And look at this place. The first I got hit in this area. Suppose if I'm wearing a chappal or something like that, definitely my foot would have been injured. And the bike was on the boot, so the boot got stuck into the bike. Suppose if I'm wearing any shoes, like, let me show an example of sketches I had, definitely I would have got injured, or at least some aberrations as well. But this leather, it's clan. So I just want to thank clan. Look at the thing design. So I got impact. All the impact areas are protected. So there is a hard material here. Not exactly. I don't know. I forgot what material it is. So I just want to really appreciate the clan for making a very good quality shoe boots. So you should have looked at it. That really saved my life, because head injury, it could be anything. So what I would suggest is, people who are watching this video, please wear a full face helmet first. Second is the boot which I wear. I don't wear it occasionally. I wear it every day. Most of the days, only few days I've been wearing some other shoes, because of the rain. Because the shoes is not, the boot is not waterproof. The clan is not waterproof. The model that I have, it is leather. So I wear some other shoes for work some days. But other than that, most of the days I wear boots. It have saved my foot 2 times. So one time the auto rickshaw just passed over my foot, so nothing has happened. I'm completely safe. Second time, it was this time, so where the first hit was in my boots. So nothing happened to my fingers and toes, so because of the boots that I wear. So I would suggest to go for a very good quality boots for everyday ride. I would suggest clan, because yes, this is the proof. It is good. And second of all, I would suggest you to wear full face helmet, even if you're traveling for a very short distance of 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers. Very good, very fine. Please do wear a full face helmet, not half face helmet. It's gonna it's gonna save it is going to save your life. And third thing, when I informed my company, they said they don't I so when I informed my company, what they did is, they just wanted me to inform other people who would take care of my work. That's it. So what it says is, you want to take care of yourself. Unfortunately, in my company, they won't provide any health insurance, and sadly, I don't have any health insurance, which is a blunder mistake. The first thing that came to my mind after I got up, was, I didn't have health insurance. If something major would have happened, I would spend a lot of money, or days where I'll be taking leaves or something like that. I want to take care of my family, and so have a health insurance, guys. I had an option to have an ACO or Star Health. I was thinking in my mind, but I did not take any decisions. I don't have any health insurance. But now I realize it is very important to have a health insurance. So whoever was watching this video, if you are young, so after 26, if you are putting your health insurance along with your family, some companies, they automatically cancel your insurance, which means you will be separately considered after 27 or 26. I don't know. So it happened to me in Star Health, so where my father did have, and now I don't have any health insurance. I should have health insurance, guys. So people who are watching this video, just suggest me a very decent health insurance. I'm in Chennai right now, so in and around, I don't know which is the best health insurance. It's a very difficult decision to take. So if you have any suggestion, please do suggest me. And what I suggest you is, have a health insurance. You will thank me later. Okay, so first of all, I should have health insurance as well. So it's a very good lesson for me, because I thought, okay, what big will happen to me, but nothing could be predicted, right? So yes, guys, thank you for watching this video. And in upcoming video, it's a very interesting video. I'm gonna talk to you about something very good bike that I have in my mind in 2025 and 26. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.